Hi friends, and welcome back to Make It Monday, where we embrace imperfection and learn new things. My name is Leslie and I am the Reading Safari and Stream Coordinator for Monterey County Free Libraries. Today we're going to talk about farm animals. Last week I talked about how we grow plants and how the farmers and the field workers here in Monterey County feed the whole nation. Well, this week I'd like to talk about some of the animals that live on farms. What animals can you think of that live on farms? I've got a few. Cows, pigs, horses, sheep, goats, ducks, chickens, and I'm sure there's some other ones I'm not thinking of. Did you know that it's not just plants that give us food, it's animals too? For example, we get milk from cows and goats, and we use that milk to make things like yogurt and cheese and butter and ice cream. We get bacon from pigs, and we get meat from cows and goats. Now, can you think of what we get from chickens? Well, we also get meat from chickens, and we get eggs. Today, we're going to be making a male chicken, which is called a rooster. To do this project, you will need some construction paper. Red, yellow, and black is best. You will need a paper plate, some glue, a pair of scissors, and a pencil or pen. Grab your materials and let's get started. To get started on our project, we need to think about the parts of a rooster's face that we're going to make. So first of all, a rooster has eyes, and we're going to use the black paper to make the eyes, and I am going to draw 2 circles here on my black piece of paper for the eyes, okay? On my red piece of paper, I'm going to trace my hand because guess what? That is going to be the rooster's comb. And the comb is the part on top of the rooster's head that looks kind of funny. So I've got my hand traced. You might need an adult to help you with this. But then once you have it, you can close in the bottom so you have your comb. Another thing that you're going to need the red paper for is the waddle. And that is the thing on the rooster's chin. Then another funny looking thing. So we're going to draw a little squiggly. I'm going to cut that out in a little bit. The last thing that we need to make the rooster's face is a beak. And a beak is best shape is a triangle. Okay, so I've got my triangle here. And now I'm going to cut out all of my shapes. Okay, friends, I have my shapes cut out. And here's what I'm going to arrange them onto the paper plate to make the rooster face. Okay, so here's the eyes. Here's the beak. I'm gonna put the waddle right here next to the beak. And I'm gonna move these eyes up a little because that looks a little silly. And there I've got my rooster face. Now what I have to do is glue everything down. And that is what I'm gonna do right now. Now I've got everything glued. Witness how cute my little rooster is. I think I'm going to rotate this waddle a little bit so it's a little bit more like that. And you can see I've got my beak. It's a triangle shape. I've got the rooster eyes, which are circles, and his comb, which is my hand. It looks a little silly, huh? That's because this is a small paper plate and I got a big hand. So it looks like he has a really wild hairdo, but I really like that. Okay, friends, that about wraps it up for this week. I've got my my rooster here with the weird hair. I love him so much. And I hope you had fun making your roosters too. Make sure that you tune in on Wednesday for Allison's story time about farm animals. It's going to be awesome. I hope you have a wonderful week. I hope you keep making things. I hope you stay curious and creative, and I'll see you next time. Bye.